Welcome to the YouTube channel of Legal Aid Trust. This video is one of the series of educational videos that will be available on this channel under the category General Awareness.
Hello friends, in today's topic we will talk about Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. In our society, which we call a civilized society, we sometimes find that the children are not taking care of their parents. Sometimes it so happens that the parents have transferred their property in the name of their children, sold the property which they had in their native place, villages or other locations on the insistence of their children under the condition that their children will take care of them as they are old. They also insist their parents to migrate to the cities where they are working. It is also possible that the kids have reached a certain stage or status that they find it difficult or not essential to take care of their parents. In some instances, children would have fought with their parents and left their parents to fend for themselves. Or in our society, we also find that the parents have had only girl child, they marry them off. However, the son-in-law does not allow his wife to attend to the needs of his in-laws. These are only very few reasons or situations that we come across for children not taking care of their parents. Under such a situation, the senior citizen parents are to note that they have a support in the form of Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. The beauty of this act is that it does not only make children, male or female, liable, but it also supports the senior citizen who do not have children. So let's understand the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. This act makes it a legal obligation for children and heirs to provide maintenance to senior citizens and parents. It provides simple, speedy and inexpensive mechanisms for the protection of life and property of the senior citizen. According to this act, there are certain terminologies and definitions which is important to be understood. Who is a parent? Parent means father or mother, whether biological, adoptive or stepfather or stepmother, whether or not father or mother is a senior citizen. Who is a senior citizen? Any citizen of India who is aged 60 years and above. So who are children? Children means and includes son, daughter, grandson, granddaughter, but does not include a minor. Who are relatives? Relatives is any legal heir of childless senior citizen who is not a minor and is in possession of or would inherit the property of the senior citizen after his death. Maintenance includes providing food, clothing, residence, medical attention and treatment. To implement this act, there is a tribunal constituted, namely Maintenance Tribunal. This tribunal has the power to order children or relatives to pay monthly maintenance as maintenance to the senior citizen or parent. Who can apply? Under this act, there are three categories. First being any person who is a parent or a senior citizen. Second, authorized registered organization can also file on behalf of the parent or the senior citizen. In certain instances, the tribunal can also suo motu take cognizance of the case. The procedures followed in this particular situation is notice is served on the children, relatives and application for maintenance to be resolved within 90 days of notice. If such children, relative fail to comply orders of the tribunal, fine, levy warrant can be issued for the due amount. If the children violates the orders, the tribunal can impose imprisonment for 1 month or until payment is made, whichever is earlier. The application can be filed before the tribunal in the district where the applicant resides or last resided or where children or relatives reside. Normally, procedures shall be in the presence of children, relatives against whom relief is sought, and if need be, ex parte decision can be made. Representation by lawyer is prohibited before the tribunal. If not satisfied with the order of the tribunal, the senior citizen parents can file appeal before the appellate tribunal which has been constituted based on the act. Let's understand protection of life and property of senior citizen. This act also provides the senior citizen who has transferred either movable or immovable property as gift or otherwise, with the condition that basic amenities and physical need of the senior citizen are taken care of. In case this condition is not met, such transfer of property shall be deemed to have been made by fraud, coercion or undue influence, and the tribunal can declare such transfer as void, and the senior citizen can reclaim his or her property. The concerned police personnel will ensure priority in dealing with these type of cases. Abandoning a senior citizen in any place by a person who is having the care or protection of such senior citizen is a criminal offence, and such person shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 months or fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees or both. Offence is made cognizable and police can directly investigate the matter on complaint. We request all children, however big or small or rich or poor you may be, to understand the need of your parents and take care of them during their old age. Do realize that they spent most of their youthful days in taking care of you, and now it's your turn to show gratitude and take good care of them. Even if you feel that they did not take care of you, it is still our duty to take care of them in their old age. Hope this video has given you a broad understanding on the topic. We thank Age Friendly Karnataka for the information provided in this video.
Hope the information contained in this video was useful to you. We look forward to each one of your support and cooperation in making this initiative a success. For more details about the trust, do visit us at www.legalaidtrust.in. Kindly click on the bell icon to subscribe this channel and stay updated about various law-related educational videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.